Inateck just recently sent me out one of their latest mini slings. So glad that they did. I have a couple other Inateck bags and I found them to be super high quality, super comfortable. I love the materials that they're made out of. And I've recently become a really big fan of these smaller style packs. Now, this one could be held as a sling bag across your chest, or you can wear it as a fanny pack as well. Now, this has super durable, tough nylon but it's water resistant. I've actually had this one in the rain by accident and nothing inside got wet at all. YKK zippers throughout, so the best zippers that you can buy. Super smooth zips. It's got these really great pulls on them. For the main pouch area, it actually has orange accented ones. So just so you recognize the main pouch right away. It's got Duraflex buckles. It is a closed loop system so that you don't have one end dangling. And one thing really cool about this one, when you want to adjust the size of it, it's got this really innovative little hook. You grab it, and just as simple as that, you're adjusting this thing. So really cool. Now let's walk through the pockets. So it's got the front pocket for quick access thing, maybe some earbuds or something like that. But you can see it's got a contrasting gray material, which is really nice. If you get something that's dark, it's not going to be hard to find in here. It's got a key lanyard, which is bright orange with a nice metal clip there. The center pocket is really nice. So it's got a zippered pocket area. Again, super smooth zips. So if you have loose things in that zipper pocket, the main pouch area is really nice with two mesh kind of elasticy pockets, the main dump pocket. And then the back has a really nice padded protected area for your phone. And again, it's in that same contrasting gray. Now, the very back pocket, which goes against your body in most cases, is maybe where you want to store those things like your credit cards and things like that. So it's got 3 credit card slots back here, again in that contrasting gray, but you can keep things like maybe a couple credit cards, some cash, maybe your wallet. You're going to keep back there, keep it a little bit more safe and protected while it's against your body. Now, I measured this out. It's about 9 inches in length, about 5 inches tall. So it does have that nice compact form factor. You can see how it fits in my hand right there. It's got a nice hook here if you wanted to put a carabiner on there or something like that. But you cannot go wrong with the quality that Inateck provides. It's a nice stylish bag. It's all black with those couple orange accents, so really looks cool. Just great materials. You're going to be very happy with these bags from Inateck.